So the two idiots set up some Sussex squad member to go and make a stink in the trial, and then the client had to be rushed out by his security guards. That's what I think. I have no problem believing that in my mind. Because why? Yesterday, we saw that Harry's case was screwed. He didn't bring anything new. There was nothing that we saw with Harry's attorney, okay? And she was saying all the same crap. The fake car chase, the fake Taliban thing because Harry put it in the book himself, because Harry wants it. That was literally one of the things. Oh, it's because of his safety. What safety? Pay for your own damn security, client. So this supporter, because that's what it was an outburst by a supporter that Meghan and Harry set up, which I totally believe that. They had to dramatically hurry the client out of the courtroom by his bodyguards. Bodyguards? I thought that Harry doesn't have any protection. Didn't he say that yesterday? That he doesn't have any protection? Okay. So he does have bodyguards. Okay. During a hearing into his security, the supporter literally said, while they made a stink, "I support you, Prince Harry," which is funny because if it would have been me, I would have been more like, "Harry, you client, you suck, you stupid mother." Like, I would have been going off on him. And that's one of the reasons that I'm glad that I didn't go to South by Southwest when Meghan came, and he was there as well, when they came to South by Southwest, because then they'd probably be able to use that crap in court. And dude, if I was to see this moron walking client, "Harry, you suck, you got no balls there in Meghan's purse, you friggin' pussy." That's what I would tell him, straight up. And then he would cry, "Oh, they told me that my balls are in Meghan's purse." Yes, Harry, your balls are in Meghan's purse. So that the Sussex squad member that Harry and Meghan set up, because we know that this is definitely a setup by the two idiots, once they got Harry like away from them, from what this says, the bodyguards made sure that they got between Harry and the crazed Sussex squad member that Harry and Meghan set up. And she was hurried out of the courtroom as she added, quote, "If you're members of the press, you're the reason he's no longer in England." Dude, Sussex squad member right there. Now, the only thing is, which press? Are you talking about the British press? The one that had Harry's image for the fun-loving jokester uncle? For what his basically in his entire life, the press that covered for him because he was a drunk moron back in the early 2000s and early 2010s, because we would see him stumbling out of bars and he cheated on Chelsea Davy with a woman at a club. Is that what they're talking about? Is that what the obvious setup, Meghan and Harry Sussex squad member, is that what you're talking about when you say, if you're members of the press, you're the reason he's no longer in England? Oh, okay. So they're talking about the evil British media that protected Harry for decades. Okay.